If there's one thing we can say about the year 2023, it's that it was a year of transformation, a year that witnessed technological advancement, social change, and an ever-evolving digital culture. To capture the essence of this transformative year, we delve into the top 10 searches of 2023. Coming in at number 10 is the search for privacy. As people became more aware of their digital footprints, the quest to remove oneself from Google searches climbed the ranks. Internet users sought ways to protect their online privacy and secure their personal information. Number 9 was a reflection of our changing world, with tech predictions for 2023 inches making the list. People turned to the web to get a glimpse of the future, with a particular interest in the role of AI in transforming various sectors, from healthcare to content creation. At number 8, we have Time's Top 10 Photos of 2023. This search reveals a deep appreciation for photojournalism and the power of a single image to tell a story, evoke emotion, and shed light on social issues. Number 7 was a search for laughter and connection. The favorite meme of 2023 inches search reflected a shared culture of humor, with memes playing a significant role in online communication and entertainment. Moving on to number 6, it's clear that people wanted to take control of their health with home workout routines. As the world continued to adapt to life during a pandemic, many turned to the internet to find ways to stay fit and healthy at home. At number 5, the search for DIY home improvement ideas made it clear that people spent a lot of time making their homes more comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. For number 4, online learning platforms were in high demand, revealing a continued shift towards online education and lifelong learning. At the third spot, climate change news was a popular search, reflecting an increasing global concern for the environment and a desire to stay informed about the latest developments. The second most popular search was cryptocurrency updates. As digital currencies continued to gain traction, people sought to keep abreast of their performance and understand their impact on the global economy. Finally, the top search of 2023 was COVID-19 vaccine updates. Amidst the ongoing pandemic, people across the globe turned to the internet for the latest news and information on vaccines, reflecting a universal desire for health and safety. In summary, the top 10 searches of 2023 paint a picture of a year marked by a heightened sense of digital awareness, a focus on health and home, a thirst for knowledge, and a shared desire to understand and navigate an ever-changing world.